Let's start Maths 2, Chapter 3, Triangles. Triangle concept we have been doing from our lower classes. But let us do some revision of what is a triangle. So let's start. What is a triangle? A closed figure. A closed figure formed by joining three or more line segments is called a polygon. Now, a polygon with three sides is called as a triangle. So, if you see here, when three line segments here are joined, you form a triangle. Let me name this triangle as A, B, C. How do we write this? We write this as triangle, the symbol of triangle, and triangle A, B, C. Now, what are the elements of this triangle? The elements of this triangle are its sides and its angles. What are its sides? Side AB, side BC, side AC. Angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. A, B and C are the vertices of this triangle. Now this triangles, if you see, there are types given to us. Now what are these types? Now based on the congruent size, what we have, if all sides are equal, then it is called as an equilateral triangle. When two sides are congruent, we call it as an isosceles triangle. And if none of the sides are equal, we call it as a scalene triangle. Now this was in terms of sides. Now in terms of angles, we have acute angle triangle, a right angle triangle, and an obtuse angle triangle. These were some of the concepts of triangles which we have been done in our previous standards. Let's take the first theorem. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. What does it tell us? It tells us that an exterior angle of a triangle, that means an angle which is outside the triangle, is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Let us first draw a figure for it and understand the statement. Okay, we have drawn it. Let's name it P, Q, R. I have given triangle P, Q, R, and here S. Now let's see the statement. The measure of an exterior angle. Now this is a triangle. These are all triangles which are inside the triangle. What does it tell me? Exterior means outside the triangle. That means the exterior angle is angle PRS. It tells me that the measure of this angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. Let us start with what is given to us. Given. Now what is given to me? Angle PRS is an exterior angle. Angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle. What is the name of the triangle? PQR. Okay? This is given to me in my statement. Now we have to, after given, we have to write to prove. to prove. Now, looking at the statement, what we have to prove? We have to prove that the measure of this exterior angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. That means, what is that exterior angle given to me? Angle PRS is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. One angle is PQR, angle PQR, plus the second angle will be QPR, angle QPR, and the sum of it. Let's start with the proof. Look at the triangle carefully. If you know that the measures of the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. After that, we will take this angle equal to 180 degrees. Let's start with that. The sum of all angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. Now, what are the angles in this? We have to see the angles in this. Therefore, we have written the sum of that. Let us see. Angle PQR. One angle is angle PQR. Plus, what is the angle? Other angle? Angle QPR. Angle QPR. Plus, which is the third angle? Angle PRQ. And what is the measure given to us? 180 degrees. Right? Let this be equation number 1. Right? Now, if you have learned previously, we know that the measure of the angles which are in a linear pair is also 180 degrees. That means if you look at this side, just keep a hand here and see this side. These two angles are angles in a linear pair. What will be their measures? Their measures will be how much? 180 degrees. Angle PRQ plus, what is the other angle? PRS is equal to 180 degrees. And why it is 180 degrees? Because angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pair. And let this be equation number 2. Right? So I've got equation 1 and equation 2. Now look at equation 1 and equation 2. Look at the right hand side. Your right hand side are equal 180 degrees, and here also you have got 180 degrees. That means I can say that the left hand sides are equal from where I got? From equation 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2. What is the first we got? Angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS plus angle PRS. And from where we got? We got it from 1 and 2. Now look at both this side. Carefully look at both this side. You are getting PRQ here, PRQ here. I can eliminate PRQ on either side. When I eliminate PRQ on either side, what do I get? Therefore, angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. What do I write over here? Eliminating PRQ from both sides. Eliminating. What I am eliminating? Angle PRQ PRQ from both sides. From both sides. When I eliminate this, I get this angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. Now let's go in our figure and check. Angle PQR is this angle. Angle QPR is this angle. Angle PRS is this angle. That means if you look here carefully, the sum of this is equal to this, which is nothing but a theorem which we have proved. Therefore the measure of an exterior angle, what? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal is equal to what? Is equal to the sum of its what? Remote interior angles. Its remote interior angles. Did you get it? Sum of this remote interior angles, and this is an exterior angle. That means angle PRS is equal to angle P and angle Q. That is angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. Let's study the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. To study the property of an exterior angle triangle, let us first draw a triangle. Okay, let's name it as PQRS. PQRS. Now, we have already seen in our theorem about exterior angle of a triangle. Now, exterior angle of a triangle is always greater than its remote interior angle. That means, which is the exterior angle? Angle PRS. This one is an exterior angle. This is always greater than its remote interior angle. Which is the interior angle? Angle P and angle Q. That means angle PRS is always greater than angle P, right? And again, angle PRS is greater than angle Q. This is the property of a exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angle.